To change the screen timeout setting, meaning how long your phone takes before it turns off the display, we're going to go to Settings first. Either tap Settings on your home screen, or if you don't have it on the home screen, you can swipe up to go to the app drawer and then find your settings there. Once you're in the settings, we're going to scroll down to Display. And within the display settings, you can scroll down to where it says Screen Timeout. You can set this to anywhere between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. I like mine somewhere in the middle. And there's actually another cool feature here called Attentive Display. When this is enabled, the phone uses the front camera to kind of monitor you, and it'll understand when you're looking down at the screen. And if your timeout is set to 30 seconds, for example, but you're reading a long article, the phone can tell that you're still looking down at your display even after 30 seconds. And it'll continue to keep the display on because it knows that you're actively using the phone. So, cool little feature there that you can turn on or off. It uses on-device processing, so it does use the camera to see what's in front of the phone, but doesn't share that camera feed with Motorola or anyone else. And that is how you change the screen timeout setting on a Motorola phone. If this video helped you, I'd really appreciate you hitting that like button below. Helps my small channel tremendously. Thanks all. Until next time.